Hi there. Let's set up your shop's look and details, banner, tagline, contact info, and your shop's link. It takes about a minute. Go to Dashboard, then Shop, then My Shops. Select the shop you want to configure. First, upload a banner image, a wide image that shows across the top of your shop page. This is the first thing visitors see. Next, add a tagline, one short line under your shop name. For example, delicious ice cream, one scoop at a time. Now add your contact info, phone, WhatsApp, email, and address. These show up as a floating contact button right on your shop page so customers can reach you instantly. Then set your shop link, a clean URL like gsheetpress.com/s/your-shop-name, perfect for sharing. One thing, your shop needs to be published first. If you see Not Published, head to Google Sheets, click Publish, then come back here to set your pretty link. Last step, add your Google Analytics or Metapixel ID to start tracking visitors. That's it. Your shop is branded, reachable, and trackable. Save your changes and you're live.